This time on Sounds Delicious. QVC's Ali Carr is calling the shots in the control room, and Anthony Haywood is alone on the kitchen set. Communicating through verbal instructions only, Ali has 45 minutes to talk Anthony through her recipe.
Today we'll be making crawfish étouffée, one of my family's favorite recipes. My mom taught me how to make it with her Cajun background. Here's the thing though, I've never written down the recipe.
But she's not allowed to tell Anthony what he'll be making. 45 minutes starts now.
Hi, Anthony.
Hi.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, I feel a little bit more nervous than I was.
Good, you should be.
Using a bread maker and making a cup of tea, my experience is really not very good.
Good choice in apron.
Thank you. I thought like the magic of unicorns might help me get through this.
Okay, so there's a bowl of crawfish tails.
But what?
That we're gonna get working on. I need you to peel those.
Okay. Ooh, they're all slimy.
Okay, so I want you to like crunch it in half so that the shell across the back like breaks.
What? Like, ugh. Oh, it spurted up my arm.
Yellow stuff was oozing out. Ugh.
Man up, Anthony. Peel a crawfish.
Like that?
Yeah, and then you can like unwrap it. There you go. Yes.
Okay.
You got it.
Oh, whoa, yes. Right. Seriously, this is more nerve-wracking than I thought it was going to be.
I'm sorry.
Oh, look at the nasty legs on this. What is that?
What is yellow stuff?
Like that's the good stuff in the crawfish.
I know it's nasty.
I think you can see its intestines. I'm not sure about that. Is that...
That's its poop vein.
What? I'm not putting that in there.
Well, see, in Louisiana, we do big crawfish
Are you
boils.
from Louisiana?
Cajun girl by birth.
So is this like a Cajun recipe?
So many good memories, like cooking with my mom and my family and making like a good Cajun meal.
Okay, I think we're done.
Okay, we need to chop some veggies. I need an onion, bell pepper, and some celery.
I've never peeled an onion.
Use your knife vertically to kind of create a little slit, and then you can peel the outside off. Do you know how to dice an onion?
No.
Okay. Slice it right in half, right there.
That way?
Yep. Anthony had never, obviously, chopped.
Okay.
You know QVC sells like a food chopper thing. It's gonna take him like 30 minutes to cut an onion.
We're talking about the 4-cup Easy Cut food slicer and grater. This is going to slice and do it all.
I thought I was chopping pretty good.
Let me just quick.
I want it to be like...
I want you to throw a stick of butter on.
That's a lot of butter.
You can never have too much butter. Okay, we need like 4 stalks of celery.
Got it.
Cut the white part off the bottom.
This is easy.
Can I see the butter?
It's kind of starting to smoke.
Okay, add the celery and the onions.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Did you see me using a knife as a sauté spoon? I don't think so. Maybe I did.
Do you have a spatula?
Wooden spoon.
Something not metal on that pan. Now we gotta chop those bell peppers kind of quickly.
Top and tail it?
Do half the red, half the green. Cut them in little strips and then chop, chop, chop. You're taking a little while, so maybe we'll give it a stir.
You don't understand the pressure, Ali Carr.
I'm sweating up here, Anthony.
All right, what do we do?
We need to make a little flour-water mixture.
Flour.
Right in front of you.
This?
Yeah.
Is that enough?
I just did like a tablespoon.
Hang on, there's some measuring things here.
Measuring things.
When you're making bread, you have to be super specific. Just using a bread maker actually helped me with my cooking today.
It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to do that.
And where am I mixing this?
Do you have a bowl?
No. I've got some balls here. They've magically appeared. That's the power of the unicorns. I feel the energy of the unicorns and rainbows. Okay, and what am I putting in here?
1/4 cup of water.
A what?
1/4 of a cup.
Because I would say 1/4.
1/4 cup. And I need you to find parsley and green onions.
Is this parsley?
Yeah, we just need like a tablespoon or 2 worth.
A tablespoon? How is that even going to fit on a tablespoon?
You don't measure it on a tablespoon, you just use it in your hand. Bunch it up and just chop, chop.
Chop, chop.
Okay. Then grab 3 stalks of the green onions. Okay, and then we're just gonna dice those, yeah. Okay, let's go back. Is it cooked down yet? Do I add more pepper? Do I need more butter? That was a little tricky. So let's add some of the seasoning.
Yeah.
So a little paprika and the cayenne pepper.
Paprika, cayenne pepper, right?
Right.
Or is it the other way around?
Smell one.
I won't know what it is
Yeah,
by
just
smell.
smell one.
I think the orange one's paprika, right?
I think. Like a teaspoon? I don't know, put some in the palm of your hand.
I feel this is very wishy-washy.
I've never written down the recipe. Why? Why don't you just write this down? Because then every time you could make it the same.
Okay.
No, like a clump, like a blob.
What is a blob?
A blob? What?
That's how I measure it. Maybe I should measure. Now we need like a teaspoon of cayenne.
A tea. Yeah, this definitely says 1 teaspoon.
Why does that look big?
It definitely says teaspoon. Can you say it says tea? 1. Putting that in,
You
yes?
throw it in. Add the bay leaf.
Just 1?
Just one. You just pop it in.
Okay.
Okay, add the flour. Okay, there's a green can of seasoning called Tony Sachery's.
Chacheries.
Sachery.
Sh-
Sachery. That's my uncle.
Oh, it is?
Tony Sachery is my great uncle. That dish would not be good without Tony's. Sachery, yeah.
How exciting.
More.
Okay. Is that enough?
More. More.
Really?
Sure, that looks good. Oh yeah. Stir that up.
Oh, that smells good now.
Okay, good. Okay, we can add the crawfish.
Right, hang on, crawfish.
Okay, now we need to open the Chardonnay.
Now you're talking. Oh. I'm not sure.
Have you used one of these before?
This is not like my opener. It's fine.
Splash of that.
How much is a splash?
That's good.
We haven't used the other stuff yet.
Yeah, throw that in.
Good job I'm here, isn't it?
Grab a plate, put some rice in the middle. Anthony,
Yes.
is the rice cold?
Yeah.
Okay, we need warm rice. You put it in the microwave.
Now you're talking. I know all about microwaves.
Anthony, we have 1 minute and 45 seconds. I need you to do that for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna put the stuff on top. I'm gonna need a glass of that Chardonnay for that.
Not the only one.
One more big scoop. Yeah.
Right, hang on.
Anthony, we have 10 seconds. All right, hands up. Done. Done. Well done. You just made crawfish étouffée.
I thought it was crawfish étouffée.
Mission accomplished.
That looks good, doesn't it? I'm happy with that.
The final dish will be judged on taste, accuracy, and appeal, but also on edibility.
Cheers. Well done. Spice is good. We needed more butter. That's my fault.
More butter? Oh my God, that's so good. Oh, that's quite hot. Ooh,
Why does that look big? Maybe I should measure.
ooh, that's quite peppery, isn't it?
Ooh, that had a kick to it.
My mom would say it was a good effort. Uncle Tony. I'm gonna give you a solid 4.
I'll take that.
For my final rating, I give Anthony a 4 out of 10.